Hello everybody, hello my friends. I'm here with another tutorial and today I'm gonna talk about 360 VR video recording and photos and how you can embed it into your website. As you can see here, you can also embed it on Facebook. This is a video that I've made. It's in my town, and these are shops, clothing shops. As you can see, you can put it also on Facebook. I'm sorry, but you can also put them on YouTube, and with particular cameras, 360 cameras, you can also go live. And what's is important is that you will make a choice of a camera that supports, for example, when you want to use a restream, that it supports RTMP, and that's important when you want to go to use tools like Restream.io. But it is also important when you're, for example, using a GoPro, and when you don't have it, then you can't make live videos on 360. Okay, what do you have to do? Well, first, when you are we have bought one of those 360 cameras. Then of course you got to download the usage guards, and you have to read them, of course, but they're almost every time they almost give you also software, and the software you have to use to customize the video that you have made. And there is another thing: when you want to upload it to YouTube, then you have to embed a little piece of code into every video that you've made, otherwise it won't upload. And you can find it by Google support, and then you have to go to the section uploads 100 or 360 videos. Then you see here that you can read it, and then you can upload a file, and you have to use that. Once you have done that, you will find it in your computer, and it's this little fellow here. If you don't do this, the videos cannot be showed on YouTube. The other thing that you have to do is select this box. No, first you have to go open the video that you use. So in my case, I choose one of those videos, for example this one. Then I open, and I hit it, and I save it. I won't save it now, but you can save it. Now, beware, because you have to do another thing. I told you about the software of the camera that you have bought, and in my case is a Samsung. It's not the best camera that there is on the market, but I'm not using it often, so it doesn't matter. Let's see, I had software on my tab, but I can't see it anymore, so let's see if we can find it here. I'm sorry. Yes, it is here. Now I open it. Go to 360. Wait till it opens, of course. And in my case, you can see here on the top, you can choose video and pictures, only pictures, only video, sorry, and only pictures. Once you have done that, you see when you have made a video, then it's a big bubble. You don't want that. Now you have to make it a wider one, like this. But remember, you can only do that when you have first embedded the media data injector, in this case from Google, but there are also other softwares that you can use. You just have to Google it, and once you have done that, then you can save it. And in my case, in this particular software from Samsung, I have to hit this button, and you see it will be here saved. So then what you have to do is go to your website, and I'm using in this case this particular plugin, and you don't want to use free plugins because the limitation is very big, and as you can see, this is not a real website, it's just a test environment. So this is the name of the plugin, and you can go to their websites and then see if it's something for you. Anyway, I'm using this plugin now for this tutorial. So you go to the VR and then you go to the tools, and I've already made one. I make a new tour, and then you can see here, this is the default image. I won't use it, but when you choose that, then it will appear here as a default picture. But what's very important is the scenes. So these are the scenes, and you can edit as many scenes as you want if you have the Pro, but if you have the free version, then you can only edit 5 scenes. Then what you have to do is upload media, and let's see if we can find that particular media that we have made 5 minutes ago. My case is here. No, it's not here. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm not. Well, let's just choose this one. It doesn't matter. But when you have done that, then you can embed it into the software. Now, there are a lot of options that you can't use in the free version. You really have to get the Pro version. You have to give it an ID, and you have to set one scene as a default scene. Now, you can't go on when you don't have at least one scene. No, only one scene as the default scene. And you can give it a title, you can show the author name, the URL, and everything. I'm not going to explain this in detail because there are very dedicated tutorials from the developer, and I think from other people who are affiliates. Okay, when you have done that, then you can see here an embed code. Now the number 7 stands for the ID that you've made. No, it doesn't stand for ID, it's an own ID. So you can copy this, and then you can use it in Gutenberg, or you can embed it into your website in your theme builder. But when you're using Elementor, then you can also use the plugin. you see, I've embedded it with Gutenberg, but you can also do it with the plugin. Here it is. See, and then you have to paste it to your website, and the ID was 7, I think so. 7, so it will appear twice, and then you can say I want the height in pixels, I want to make it higher, wider, radius, everything. You can everything customize as you want. And as you can see, stupid me, when we preview the website, then you can see me here. Yeah, this is me. I have to do my hair cap, I know it, but when I'm working I'm not so worried about my hair. But anyway, this is in the house, in a particular place where I can go to do my things without being disturbed. And well, that was it. So what was important was that you have to make the choice, if with camera that you want, and where do you have to use it for. And remember that's RTMP, and the function to go live on YouTube and Facebook if you want that. And what also was important was that you have to embed a little piece of coding, and you can do that by the plugin delivered by Google or other parties. So you first have to do this, and then you go to the software to customize the pictures. And when you are in the software, so these are all pictures and videos. There are no videos now, but when you have the videos with that code, and then you have to make a choice how you want the picture or video to be appear, and you have to choose for stressed. Now you can also choose other things, but for the website is the best way to do it is it's with the stress. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below, and subscribe. Give me thumbs up if you like it, and give me thumbs down if you think that I am well, you know. See you later.